Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to correctly remove makeup because yes, there is a correct and an incorrect way to be removing your makeup. First of all, that I want to point out here is that these are my skincare tips. This is how I do it. This is what works for me, and this is the advice that I'll give you as an esthetician if I'm sending you back home with makeup removal tools. This is how I'll tell you to do it, and this is how I learned to do it. So let's get into the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button because there's absolutely no excuse why you have not subscribed to my channel. And I am dropping videos now twice a week, Sunday and Wednesday. So you need to be subscribing to my channel so that, you know, the videos keep being watched and being shared and all of that. So yeah. So makeup removal. Why must you remove your makeup, and why must you not sleep with your makeup? So makeup in itself isn't such a dangerous thing for skin, but it is a product that needs to come off, unfortunately. Just like you can't sleep with your sunscreen on, you can't sleep with your makeup on, because sometimes it can be comedogenic and it can cause you to have some breakouts, and also it will make you age very quick, and nobody wants that. You don't want to be growing old in your 20s. You want to be growing old when you're like 80, then your wrinkles start popping out. I'm kidding, but I think that's what's going to happen for me because I'm going to make sure. But you don't want to sleep with your makeup because it's just not a healthy thing to do. It's not healthy for your bed sheets, not healthy for your skin, and it's just not healthy at all. So if you want to avoid having those breakouts from makeup, and you want to avoid having wrinkly skin, bad skin, you want to avoid having mature skin in your 20s, then let's remove our makeup. My first tip to people is always that you need to be using an oil cleanser. This one is from Simple, that you can get anywhere at a Discam or anything. This I found in a Discam store actually. It's a simple makeup remover. And then this is from DHC, which I sell or retail on skin.com. I would say that this is high-end, and then this is drugstore. So depending on what you want, you can go for them. I do kind of like this one more than any other oil cleanser on the planet. And this one comes in probably at like 5. It's all right. I do have other balm cleansers I love, but it's not like I would say that this is the Simple one is fantastic and it's life-changing and it's earth-shattering. But it's nice and it does the job. So today I am going to be showing you how to take off your makeup and how you should be taking off your makeup gently using an oil cleanser. And I have a micellar water from Bioderma. This one is used quite a bit on social media by everybody. Can my camera please focus on that? Thank you. So this is Bioderma. This is the Sensi Bio H2O. So it's basically a micellar water. And I also use tools like a cloth. This is a microfiber cloth. I use some cotton pads, and I also use this pad, which also is a microfiber cloth, but this one is made of polyester. It just takes off my makeup nicely, and I received this in PR from a brand called It. I will be removing my makeup with the following items. Right now I do have a full face on. I do have like a whole shebang of makeup on, and I thought that while I do have a full face on, it would be nice and easy to show you guys how is it that I do it. First step you want to do is to take off the eye makeup. I do have mascara that is like clings on to your life. I believe mascaras are great, but to take that thing off, this is the one that I'm wearing, Lash Sensational. To take this stuff off is like so hard and tough. I don't know, it just really holds on, and that's why they really say that this thing does its job. My camera is already flashing and I don't know why, because I did charge you today, okay? So I think what I'm gonna do, let me charge my camera before taking off my makeup because I do wanna show you the entire experience. Just give me a few minutes. So to begin, we are going to take my oil cleanser and we are going to massage it into my face. The beauty about oils is that oil attaches to oil, and a lot of products that we apply actually have oil in them. Our skin has sebum, which is a natural oil. So this is going to attach itself to everything on my skin and it's going to take it off. And that is why oils are so beautiful to remove makeup with. The reason why I wouldn't use a makeup wipe is because how many times have you used a makeup wipe and you've been gentle? Just ask yourself that. Some people, they use makeup wipes as if they're trying to wipe their skin tone away. Like, guys, you can't be using makeup wipes, and you're being harsh and you're being hard So that is one reason why I don't really encourage people to use them, and they can be a little bit abrasive, not because they're bad, but you can use makeup wipes to like wipe your lips, to maybe soak your lashes when you have any mascara on, like I do. If you have a glue or something like that, it comes in handy for stuff like that. But you don't really want to use a makeup wipe to wipe your entire face of makeup. It won't really take it off even well. So I'm even massaging this in for a while, because if you just massage it and then you wipe it, it doesn't really do much. But the more you massage it, the more I'm even getting to everything that is on my skin, and it is all going to come off. I'm going to take this. This is the sponge I spoke about. I'm just going to wet it, and this is the beauty of it, and I'm going to wipe this off. So the beauty of this makeup oil is that you can wash it off. You can wash it all off. It does kind of become it emulsifies. That is the correct word that I'm supposed to use. It emulsifies when it comes in contact with water, with any kind of liquid, so you can wash with it. So even when you're using these sponges and wipes and whatnot, you need to also be gentle, because you could also be hard and abrasive on your skin, and you don't really need that. So as you can see, my makeup is already off. The only thing that's left really, it's on my eyes, and what I'm going to do is I am going to wash my face. So I do have water in front of me, which I used to wet my sponge with. And I am going to take my cleanser. This one is from Nivea. It's also a micellar cleanser, which is why I chose it, because it's not only gentle, but it's also got micellar water in it. So it's going to really help me get that makeup out of my skin. So I'm going to get some of that cleanser, and I'm going to just wet it a little with some water. And I'm going to massage that into my skin as well, so that I can get everything off of my skin. So this process of taking off makeup, you need to be very careful with it. For example, you don't want to miss your hairline, your ears, and your neck if you got all that product all the way down here. You want to kind of make sure that you get everything. And the beauty of this is that after this, even if I go to shower, which I usually do on a long day, but today I didn't really go anywhere. I literally showered and like lazied around the house. So and like did my makeup. So I'm just literally focusing on taking off the makeup right now. I'm going to wipe this off. I'm not gonna wash it off yet, because I'm gonna go for a second cleanse. So I'm just wiping this away from my skin, and just also getting into my ears, because I do put makeup there, and my neck as well, just making sure that I take off everything. So my next step after this, before I cleanse again, okay? So my next step after this is taking my cotton pads, or cotton pads, and I'm going to take my micellar water, and I'm going to put it onto my cotton pad, and I usually like soak it up. That's why the micellar water doesn't really last. So I'm gonna take this, and I'm going to put it on my eye for a couple of minutes, and I'm just gonna hold it right there. And this is gonna kind of make the lashes melt, the mascara come off of my lashes. So as you can see, there it's coming off, because just doing this with the oil cleanser, I feel takes really long, and it can really hurt my eye. And you don't want to pull and tug at the skin around your eye, because it's very sensitive and it's not as strong as the rest of the skin on your face. So you just want to hold it there for a little while, and then just wipe down, and all of it is going to come off like that. And then I'm going to do the other eye as well. Hold down for a couple of minutes until the lashes or the mascara soaks up all the micellar water, and then I wipe it down. And you wipe down gentle. You keep turning it around. You keep turning it around and be gentle with it until all the mascaras come off. And what I do, just to make sure that it has come off, I just fold it like that, especially because I put mascara under my eyes, and I just wipe it this way, just to make sure that the mascara underneath here also comes off. And one thing about micellar water is that it can go into your eyes, and it doesn't really burn or hurt your eyes or anything, because it's made to be used near your eyes or your face. And sometimes I do react to balms in my eyes. for some reason, so I'm just really careful with that. So you can see my cotton pad is just full of mascara. So I'm gonna turn it around on the other side, which is clean, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna hold it down for a couple of minutes, 1 or 2 if you can, and just wipe down. So you just need to do this until you no longer see those lines right there, because they're supposed to come off, because all that is mascara. And like I said, this mascara like grabs onto your lashes. It doesn't really come off that easily, and especially if you're someone who wears lashes or strip lashes or whatever, this is really a step that you cannot skip, unfortunately. So I'm gonna go in for my second cleanse, and this time I'm gonna have to wash my face. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom, I'm gonna cleanse my face, and I'm going to come back. I've washed my face and I'm very satisfied. And the last thing that I always do is this step. So I take the cotton pad again and the micellar water, and I'm just gonna go through my face again just to make sure that everything is off. I'm always surprised when I watch beauty YouTubers and they say things like they had to use micellar water in the morning because they had makeup on last night and have to make sure that the makeup is off. Guys, you're not supposed to be waking up and checking that the makeup is there or not. The makeup isn't supposed to be there. It's supposed to be completely off. So you shouldn't be checking for makeup coming off in the morning. You should be checking it right now. So this is sort of like my last step before I put on anything. I am going to just wipe my face, my entire face, with this cotton pad and see if there's anything left on my face. So the micellar water is going to cleanse me, and I'm being gentle on my skin right now, guys. I'm not being harsh, so just be very gentle. And I'm going to wipe my entire face, including my neck, to make sure that everything has come off and I'm not looking for makeup tomorrow morning on my skin, okay? So I'm doing that. My neck, my hairline, because remember you apply makeup there, and my entire neck right there, just to make sure that all the makeup has come off. And what I'm gonna do is that little trick again on my eyelids, just to make sure that all the mascara has come off and I don't have anything left. And then the other eye as well. And this is to check that I don't have anything left. So my face is pretty much clean. There was just a little bit in my hair, but my face is clean and I don't have any mascara left on. And I recently did a peel, so I'm not applying night creams at the moment until maybe next week Wednesday. I'm just staying away. It's just better to do that. So for tonight, I am going to be applying my hydrating mask. This one is from Caudalie, which is going to be helping me rehydrate my skin, and I'm going to be going to bed with it. And I'm just going to be applying some of that. You don't have to wash it off, but you can wash it off if you want. And I do love sleeping with a night cream on, because, I mean a hydrating cream on, because honestly, my skin can be really dry, and hydrating my skin is like my priority in life. So there we go. It doesn't matter if it looks like this to me, because I'm at home, it's at night, and I'm gonna go to bed soon, and I'm good, okay? And that's it. This is how you correctly remove your makeup. So right now, if for example you wanted to put on a toner, you can put it on, but all my toners at the moment have actives in them, and I'm avoiding actives, so I'm not gonna apply that. So I'm just literally keeping my skincare simple. That's why I only use the gentle cleanser and the hydrating mask. I don't think this is gonna show on the camera if I tried to show you, because it's very white, but that's basically what it looks like. This is it. I'm going to moisturize my lips with, this is from L'Occitane. It's just a basic shea butter balm, and I'm just gonna put that right there, because you don't want to be sleeping with cracked lips, okay? And one thing I neglected is to apply my hydrating mask on my neck. What you do to your face, you do to your neck, guys. So I'm gonna take some of that, apply it to my neck, and I'm gonna be all right. So this is how I take off my makeup, or these are the steps you should basically be following to take off your makeup, to make sure that you're going to bed with a clean skin. And not saying you're not checking in the morning if the makeup has come off. That's not how it works. So you need to be going to bed with a clean skin. Don't forget that oils are so much better to use than just using a micellar water. Oops, sorry. Than just using a micellar water alone or just using wipes on their own. It's just, oils are so much more gentle, and oils can take off your eye makeup as well. It's just that sometimes when I get it a little bit too close to my eye, I get to react. I tend to react, so I usually just avoid using the balms and the oils near my eyes. I prefer to use the micellar water and use my trick of the 2 cotton pads. I promise you this makes a huge difference just for you to get to see that your skin is clean or not, and just to make sure that everything is off. And with everything that has to do with your skin and your face, you need to be gentle and patient, unless you're really rushing to sleep. But who rushes to sleep though? So guys, I'll see you in my next video. I don't know what I'm gonna be filming next, but if you want to let me know in the comment section, please do. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.